sein, haben, werden, 3 small verbs, big impact. In this video, we'll cover the present tense conjugation of the auxiliary verbs and how they are essential for forming sentences in German. Hello everyone and welcome to Sprechify, where we make learning German easy peasy. My name is Francesca and I'm a native German speaker with over 7 years of teaching experience. This video is part of a series from my complete German course for absolute beginners. If you want to go even further, you can find the full course on Udemy. The first 100 students will get a 60% discount on the full course. Check out the link in the description. And now, let's dive into today's topic. Hello and welcome to the third lesson. In this lesson, we will continue with the present tense, but now of the auxiliary verbs, die Hilfsverben in German. The verb Hilfe means to help, and these auxiliary verbs help us to form other tenses like the past tense or the future. But you will learn about this later. Let's see, first of all, which are they? So in German, we have the auxiliary verbs sein, haben, and werden. These verbs are always irregular verbs, and you have to learn the conjugation by heart. So let's start with sein, to be. We have again singular and plural, and the conjugation is ich bin, du bist, sie, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind. Again, the first and the third person plural are the same. Let's practice a little bit. So, how do you say I am Max? Ich bin Max. Who are you? Wer bist du? You are students. Ihr seid Studenten. Good. Let's continue with haben, to have. Ich habe, du hast, sie, es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, and sie haben. First and third person plural are the same. How do you say he has fun? Hat Spaß. We have a lot of hobbies. Wir haben viele Hobbys. And Mrs. Müller, do you have a garden? In German, Frau Müller, haben Sie einen Garten? Yes, we need here the third person plural for the formal you, Sie. We continue with werden. Werden can mean to become or to get. Ich werde, du wirst, sie, es wird, wir werden, ihr werdet, and sie werden. We can see the first and the third person plural are again the same. How do you say, tomorrow I will turn 29? Ich werde morgen 29. The child grows up quickly. Das Kind wird schnell groß. The flowers will become beautiful. Die Blumen werden schön. That's it for now. See you in the next lesson.